this is on behalf of our TBC Corporation, also all the city staff board members from Europe. We are here. Really thank you for everyone for being here. And papasalamat kami talaga. So at least everyone is go on a go. And we will be go also on that part. We will do whatever we can to help this barangay, not just the barangay, but for the rest of the whole municipality. Thank you so much for being here. And we really appreciate Vice Mayor also, and all the board. Thank you so much for coming here.
So thank you so much. This ends our public hearing sa Liwag. Madinalagon, no? Isa naman kapag ginunanon sa pagbuhat sa public hearing. And we hope na sa sunod pa din namon nga pagkanto diri sa inyong mga barangay, same ang yapon ang inyong pagbaton sa amon. Your warmest welcome sa amon diri sa aton sa Barangay Calapdan. And we are happy to be our partners no sa sining nga mga proyekto. So madamong salamat. God bless us all.